Hi, I'm Dairy France. This is Krita, and let's see today how to add, copy or delete the layer in Krita. Okay, we have such a layer and we have to add more. You see this plus sign here, and here is the arrow. Let's click on it, and you see what we can do. We can add different layers and we can add the mask. Okay, let's add paint layer. Okay, now we can choose different layers by clicking on them. Let us choose our background layer and let us duplicate it. I click on it. If you did something you didn't want to do, just always you can press Ctrl Z and undo the last command. If you don't like this layer, you can, and it is selected, you can just click on this trash bin and it will be deleted. Okay, let's do Ctrl Z and see the panel here, and if I click on layer I can see cut layer, copy layer, new layer. Okay, we add it. Or if I'll do the right click of my mouse on my select layer, I can see cut layer, copy and remove layer, and a lot of other interesting commands. Okay, that's it. Thank you for being with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!